works for me. I love this program because it showed me like a lot of other work pathways, like making digital art and even doing videography and photography in our classes. It's just so fun.
I love being a creator. I love art. So being able to find a program that would be just suited for me, that's what it's all about.
This program is super hands-on. We have the Mac computers, we have the cameras, we have all the lighting and equipment you need.
We do different kinds of projects with different Adobe products like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator.
We have like a podcast, we have a morning news show that we do.
We create posters for our school, or maybe we will record classrooms.
We learn how to make websites, portfolios.
We create logos.
It really brought out things in me that I didn't know I had. We made our own cooking show called The Final Dish, and it was submitted to the PGCPS Film Festival.
I thought it was going to be difficult, but it's actually pretty simple in understanding if you follow what you're doing.
I have experience with art and just digital media and everything outside of the program, but this really helps you like understand it on a professional level.
Just last week, I got my Adobe certification. Having your Adobe certification, it really like concretes your credibility.
The world is waiting for people with these skills.
You're gonna have so much opportunities with scholarships. I feel like if you have future goals or trying to get a major in like arts or animation, I feel like that could really help.
Good candidates for this program are like people who are really like artistic.
Someone who's ready to work, someone who's very passionate for what they do.
I never thought I was this creative. I never thought I had this much ideas.
If you're a creative person, then this program is for you.
I think you should join IMP.
This program is so great. You should try it out.
It's perfect.
CTE works for me.